Okay, Paritosh, let's see your second assignment for still life in charcoal. I think the drawing is okay. It's the jar here is leaning towards the right side, so you can. It's an easy fix. All you need to do is make sure that your right side equals to the left side. So probably fixing this top here, or maybe increasing this a bit, and the bottom looks fine to me. uh, Now what is happening is all the three objects are of three different values, but on the canvas or on the surface I'm not able to make out if this is light, or it seems like this is middle, this is pretty little dark. The white bottle here in the reference image given is of a very light value. Then the jar is of a middle value, and then the last object is of darkest. The last object, if I draw a line from top of it, it somewhere divides the bottom of the jar, or the lower part, in two equal parts. So let's see the assignment once again. So when I draw a line from here touching this section, it should come a bit more up around here, right? So overall this is smaller than what it should be. We saw that the bottle is of white color, thus it will have the lightest value, so that I can make a difference in these objects. I think the lid is done quite well. The bottom is also looking good. uh, it seems that you have digitally somewhat edited your image, because I could read, the pixels here. So, or maybe it's a very small image that you have uploaded, so it kind of pixelated. So I'm not able to make out your the eraser marks and the pencil marks. But overall, it's coming along, and keep on practicing.